Okay, I want to talk a little bit about this child support system right now. It is trash. The child support system is trash. It uses men as slaves to get money out of them. I heard the other day a guy talked about him having his child 4 days out of the week, and they still put child support on this man. Still made him pay child support for a child who he had and took care of 4 days out of the week. The child support system needs an overhaul. It needs an overhaul ASAP. How are any man supposed to be successful or to live when they are overcharged, overtaxed, when so much in child support is put on them? How is that man supposed to continue to support himself, to support his family? How will that man ever be uber successful in life? No one is saying that he shouldn't take care of his responsibilities. No one is saying that he shouldn't have to give something to support his child. But a lot of these fees and figures that they put on these men is outrageous. Even these celebrities that I see, it seems like the figures that they putting on these men are not just for the child. It's to support the mother in her lifestyle as well. Unacceptable. Ridiculous. The court system, child support system, is crazy unfair. I mean, it is unbelievable how out of hand it has got. If I'm able to initiate a let me say, if I'm able to initiate a coming together of men, and I think men of all races, even women too, women who have boyfriends, husbands, or whatever, and see how unfair this is. We need something that's put into law that can change this child support system, because it is treating these men as slaves. Well, they're just money for the child support system, and it's unfair for these men having to pay all these amount of money for these children. Children do not cost this much to take care of, and it shouldn't be put on that man to break the bank for him to take care of a child, especially when they need to consider his other bills that he has to take care of, his other children that he has to take care of, his household, his own bills, his need to make a living for himself outside of that child. It's just ridiculous, that system. Not to mention that the other family court system is a joke as well. I feel that, what you call it, when person have custody of the child. I think it should be joint custody off top. Custody should be shared between both parents, but they don't do it. They usually give custody to the mother. Why? So she can later file for child support. The court system is corrupt and it needs to be examined and overhauled. Not to mention they need to get rid of welfare. The government needs to stay out of families' situation. Family need to come back together and work things out for themselves. The government needs to get out of family situations. Get rid of welfare. Overhaul the child support system. It is crazy. The court system, a lot of these laws are in a stone age. It's about time that they all be re-examined. That's all I have to say about that. It's just ridiculous.